Mission: to improve the lives of people and communities through quality instruction, innovation, productivity, environment, and industry feasible technologies, resources mobilization and transformational outreach program, and vision: a vibrant and nurturing Polytechnic Service College for transforming lives and community service. Goal and objective: the first one is to make the college responsive and relevant to the individual and social needs for optimum human development. And the second one is to offer priority programs in tourism, teacher education, agriculture, fishery, agroforestry, trades, business, industry, and information technology, which will generate knowledge based to educate the people and communities. Number 3, to conduct the wide range of research and extension program to provide quality training and technologies for inclusive growth. Fourth is to implement government programs and services in the context of regional and national development for poverty alleviation. And the last one, to prepare and develop highly productive and employable professionals, local or global and local technopreneurs who are morally crafted and environmentally oriented for coping globalization standards. Objective of the BSIT program: the number 1 is the graduates will be competent professional with an integrated understanding of computer system, process, and the main body of knowledge being in the information technology field. They will be IT professional engaged in a career such as IT specialist, web or mobile application developer, network engineering, database administration, and system administration. In the second one is capable of engaging in the professional growth, competent and technology oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to the professional, which includes earning higher learning degrees of completing professional advancement training. And the third one is the graduates will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually, a member of leader of a team, communicate effectively, encourages social and ethical responsibilities in the communities and their professionals. Dreams and vision within mind to blend, a place to stay, a chance to men endowed with wisdom and honor, more the pride of society, singing victorious to praise the locus or Polytechnic College, the place where you and they belong. Long live our alma mater, built one thing is for all, light a night shining armor, riding us in soul, young of traces, a locus or Polytechnic College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater, a sweet enlightened mind to proudly develop, enabling each to share wherever the world's greater high. We go forth and serve the fellow man For reaching we will shine. Singing victorious praises in locus politics district college, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long live our alma mater. Long live our